NFTs. Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'll be explaining the concept of NFTs. And I plan to explain NFTs as easy as I can so that I can explain it to anyone. Even your 1-year-old grandma or your 12-year-old brother. I've been diving into the concepts of NFTs, and I've also created my own collection of over 1,000 NFTs, and I'll also show the process and the experience I had in coming videos. NFTs stands for Non Fungible Token. It's an acronym for Non Fungible Token. Non Fungible and tokens. Non Fungible actually means that the item in question cannot be replaced, meaning it is not switchable, it is not replaceable, it is not interchangeable. So non fungibles means that if I have my own item, I can actually switch it with yours. If I have a jersey signed by a footballer, I can actually switch it with any jersey because it has value, maybe of sentiment. So the jersey in question is a non-fungible. If you also have some other items of sentimental values like collections, they are non-fungibles. If you have the Mona Lisa, it's a non-fungible. No other painting can actually be swiped with the Mona Lisa of the same value. That makes these items non-fungible. Fungibles refer to items that you can easily change or interchange with one another. If you give me $10, I can actually go ahead and give you back your $10 tomorrow. I can even go further by giving you 10 bills of $1 note in exchange of your $10 bill. If you also give me 1 Bitcoin, I can also give you back 1 Bitcoin tomorrow. These items are easily changeable. So the fungible stands for changeable. That being said, we've explained the concept of non-fungibles and fungibles. Non-fungibles, sentimental value that cannot be easily changed. Fungibles, easily interchangeable. Then, to understand the concept of tokens, tokens can be referred to as a digital receipt or a digital certificate to prove that you are in possession of the non-fungibles. So, if I go and buy a Mona Lisa from the Louvre, I will be given probably a receipt. This receipt will indicate that I am now the true owner and I made some payment to acquire the assets of the Mona Lisa. But in the digital world, there is no need to get a physical receipt. These tokens now act as the receipt to prove that you are the owner of such assets. Maybe you created it or you bought it. So if you're in possession of the token, you are the possessor of the asset, the non-fungible. So why this token is actually easy is that it can't actually be changed. The token is created with a blockchain technology, the same technology that is used to create the cryptocurrencies. So the blockchain acts like a ledger. When one exchange is done on one transaction, it is confirmed or authenticated by a lot of computers. So this will make it very hard for someone to actually replicate the token or actually steal the token. So everything is actually very accountable due to it is a decentralized system. So that is how the token works. The non-fungible tokens refers to these non-fungible that have a token on the digital space. As long as it has a token in the digital space, it cannot be referred to as a non-fungible token, the NFTs. I hope I broke down this concept well. If this was helpful, consider subscribing. I'll be dropping more content related to the NFTs, and I'll also go ahead to explain some other concepts I learned on my way of creating most collections I did. Thanks for watching.